Ka Northern Ri Bhoi College ha ka jingyat lenti ka batang katu ka nisnam na du bala sengya ka house nam arajar arpuai ha ka khandai trik nai wieng kalapun ko burom ya ki arpusan ngut ki samla puli ki bala pendap ya ka kardan Bachelor of Arts ki badeiru ki so nyngkong ban pas ya ka ne ka kardan puli ya ki samla puli lawan ban pun ko burom da u MLA ka than ba Meral Bonds im u badeiru u chairman ka college ha ka jingdon lang uba EC Benny principal ka Ri Bhoi College Nongpo ba Hastings im principal ka Nongtulu High Secondary School ki riurang ba kinohi kai bat ki samla puli ka college uba Meral Bonds im ha ka jingkaran ulapan pau ka jingkamen bakum ka shnam a jing nang jingstan ka badang shus dang shen kalala ban panmi e ki samla puli ki bala pas ya graduation jong snam arajar wei hadu arajar apsa Watla ka Northern Ri Bhoi College ka dangdon hapdeng ki babun ki jinduna kenthop na du ka building ka bapura na lor ka tulap ye ki nohi kai Henry ka longpat ka jing ai mensiam ba ki samla puli ka ne ka college ki trishitam ha ki jing puli ki jongki but ukermen scam ba shen ki jing e baro anla ban weng no mardor laong uba Meral Bonds im
to ensure that education has to reach in every nook and corner of Ri Bhoi of the state and as well as northeastern region also. Having said that, if we go back to the beginning of Nongtulu Higher Secondary School, there has been up and down, challenges, issues has always there. Issues has always been there with regards to the smooth functioning of Ri Bhoi College in Nongpo also. In the beginning, how the leaders, all the concerned sponsoring body members or the governing body members, they have been through. But God has been kind that He has paved the way that Ri Bhoi College Nongpo has stand where it stands today. It has produced many students who have been placed in different capacity, serving the district, serving the state. And it is a proud moment for us also today that Northern Ri Bhoi College, being the offshoot of Ri Bhoi College Nongpo, that has been started since 2021 in a temporary campus here in Nongtulu Higher Secondary School. On this note, I would like to express my gratitude to the managing committee of the school, to eminent personality who are present here today, Pak Wonderson Syllad and Pak Hastings here. Thank you so much. Lembaga tim semua banai publik, Pak Wan, Pak Hastings. Ia ada jing Trilang kejumpi nak kebentar bangin nak long ya temporary campus kepada sekolah. Kami apa Nongtulu Higher Secondary School. Publik syukur bahwa Kongdeng Mila di Pak Hastings dia wala kendor kami di rumah menuju bahwa selalu dan kailit SD Matong lain kemudian itu di rumah dan tersebut tiba ladan bentar ban ya senran lang menaik di besar naik kaya itu Dr. Edi Lapang being my mentor, walaupun mentor, is always strive ahead with a positive thinking in mind that he has to achieve education in various parts of Ri Bhoi District. And the dream and aspiration that he has in the past, that one day Indian area will have one college. This has been a dream since the year in the beginning of 2000, 2005, 2008, 2010, and it has been materialized in 2021. How to have a proper classroom, how to manage the management of the salary of the teachers, how to cope up with the academic issue that we have, how to cope up with the national education policy that has been in place. It is not an easy task, but as a sponsoring body, we are not losing any hope, and we are very optimistic that the dream and aspiration that each and every family members, especially the poor family of this area, they are having. Those who cannot afford to send their children to Nongpo or to Shillong, they can have the same education at par with other college and university here at the very doorstep of this particular area. And by the grace of God, we are still pursuing how to have a permanent campus, how to position ourselves in the next 5 years. As the principal has said, it is a very important point that we have to position ourselves in the next 5 years, in the next 10 years, what to do, how do we position ourselves with infrastructure, with other facilities that we need. It is very important. That's why we cannot forget the sincerity, the hard work of the member of the Nongkong Higher Secondary School, who have been kind enough to give us space, a temporary space. And we still on the pipeline that to shift to the permanent campus, slowly and slowly, brick by brick. It is not an easy task for the sponsoring body to shift at once, to have infrastructure at once, but still, we are trying our level best.
Expanding, providing more opportunities to the students. That's very clear. So, only missionary leaders, missionary management can plan for the next 5, 10, 15 years when we have a very beautiful big campus here with all facilities so that students need not travel from Mumbai to any other place for their education. This also matters to my college, Ri Bhoi College, where we have now at least established to a certain extent. But this vision of expansion of what we should have in another 5 to 10 years should be there with all of us. Having said that, I must congratulate for this small step of establishing it here, this college, so that now time will make it progress. It will be a matter of time before it is well established. So, to the students of Northern Ri Bhoi College, first of all, I must thank the students union leaders who have invited me and told me to come for this function, putting me as the guest of honor. I must say that, everyone struggles in life. Everybody has problems. You also have problems. But then it is how we overcome these difficulties, problems, that makes us successful in life. It's very important that we have certain aims in life. What's the aim of a student? Everybody wants to be successful. Everybody wants to be successful, wants to make money, wants to be rich. But that should not be the aim of anyone. Everyone decides to become rich, everyone decides to become successful, that's true. But then, our target as students should be limited, at least for now. We should be now concentrating on our studies. 3 years, 4 years. I must study myself as much as I can, in whatever way I can. And I should not face any problems in my studies. If I face problems, I need to solve it myself. I cannot say I am poor, I don't have the fees, I don't have the power to study, I don't have the intelligence to study. No. You must try to realize your own dream. Put a small target. The target keep changing. Now once you have finished your studies, go for the next target. I am telling you that if you ever find yourself in problems like money, you must remember that you are physically fit. Everyone is born as normal human beings. We have every opportunity to make our needs, to meet our needs.